How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 7th of May 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay? So, yesterday we studied about the concept of the mass rule. Isn't class? Okay, so let's take an example of the mass rule. I have 20 minus 16 divided by 4. I have 20 minus 16 divided by 4. So class, what would I do in this question? Who will tell me this? Yes, Josefa, you tell me. Very good. First of all, we have to know what is mean by the mass. Okay? The mass का क्या mean है? We will take D for divide, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay? So जब भी हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में more than 2 operations यूज होंगे, so we will use the mass rule. Okay? हम किसको फॉलो करेंगे? the mass को. So D for divide, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Fine class? Okay. So as you see, we have in this question 2 operations are used. Which are they? Who will tell me? Yes, Alishba, you tell me. Very good. First is subtraction and other is division. Isn't class? But according to the mass, first we will solve divide, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. ये rule होते हैं the mass का. Okay. So in this question we have division portion is this. ये division का portion. So हम क्या करेंगे? First number as it is minus as it is और इस portion को हम separately solve कर लेते हैं. So 16 is inside the division because 16 divided by 4 mean as 16 is inside the division because 16 is dividend and 4 is divisor. 16 divided by 4 means 16 जो है वो 4 के ऊपर divide हो रहा है. So we can take 16 as dividend and 4 as divisor. Okay class? Now 4 times 16. 4 times 16. So we will write 4. Okay, instead of 16 divided by 4. हम इसकी जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay? अब इस पोर्शन में तो हमने ये वाला सॉल्व कर लिया डिवीजन वाला पोर्शन. अब नेक्स्ट वी हैव इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट. अब हमारे पास एक जो है ऑपरेशन बच गया वो कौन सा है? सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस. 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4. Isn't class? Okay. So who will tell me 20 minus 4? Very good. As you know class, 0 we can't solve 0 minus 4, so we'll take 1 carry from 2 and in the end we have 16. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया? When we have more than one operation used in a question, so we will follow the mass rule. The mass rule क्या है? Division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. Okay? So this is all related to previous lesson. Now today we have question number 7 from page number 21. Question number 7, and the statement is use the mass rule and simplify these. Use the mass rule, simplify these. Okay. A part, 7 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 18. Divided by 2 multiplied by 18. Okay class, who will tell me what is the difference between question number 7 and question number 6? दोनों के स्टेटमेंट तो सेम है, इसमें भी हमें डिमैश रूल के थ्रू सॉल्व करने और वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में भी हमने डिमैश रूल के थ्रू सॉल्व किया था. बट इफ़ यू लुक क्लास, लास्ट टाइम जो हमने क्वेश्चन किया है जिसको हमने सॉल्व किया था डिमैश रूल से, उस क्वेश्चन में अगर आपने देखा होगा तो यू हैव ओनली 2 ऑपरेशंस दैट आर यूज्ड इन अ पार्ट. बट इफ यू लुक इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव मोर देन 2 ऑपरेशंस आर यूज्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन. कौन कौन से ऑपरेशन यूज हो रहे हैं? प्लस, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Isn't class? Okay. So as you know, the mass rule. First we will solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. ऐसे ही हमारे पास the mass means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So class, according to the mass, we will first solve division portion. अब इसमें देखेंगे हम तो we have this portion of division which is 6 divided by 2. So इसको solve करते हैं. We will solve this first. बाकी जो terms हैं वो as it is आ जाएंगी. 7 as it is plus as it is. इसको solve करने हमने which is 6 divided by 2. 6 is as dividend. We can take 6 as dividend and 2 as divisor because according to this 6 divided by 2. So इसका क्या मीन है कि 6 जो है वो 2 पे डिवाइड हो रहा है. 6 is dividend and 2 is divisor. As you know 2 3 times 6. So we will write 3 here. Then multiplication sign as it is and 18 as it is. Okay? So class, if you look, we have 2 operations now. Which are they? First we have addition and then we have multiplication. But according to the mass rule, we will first solve division or multiplication. अब इसमें हमारे पास इसके अकॉर्डिंग फर्स्ट पे हम किसको प्रायोरिटी देंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन को. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 7 एज इट इज रहेगा प्लस एज इट इज इसको हमने सॉल्व करना है. सो 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. I will start from this side which is 3 into 8 is 24. 2 carry 3 1 times 3 and ये 5. 54 in total. Okay, now I will write 54 here. In the end, as you see class, we have only one operation which is plus. So we will simply add 54 into 7. 54 में हम 7 ऐड करेंगे. So 4 11. So 2-digit number, so I will write the number which is at unit place and 1 as a carry. Fine. So for next, which is 5 plus 1 is 6. So in the end we have 61. In the end we have 61. Okay class? Now I am going to repeat this example. You have to be listen very carefully. I have a part A from question number 7, page number 21, and the statement is use the mass rule, simplify these. 7 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 18. So class, this is your statement. Okay. अगर आप देखो तो आपके पास यहाँ पर मोर देन 2 ऑपरेशंस जो हैं वो यूज हो रहे हैं. कौन कौन से? प्लस, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. बट एज यू नो वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग द मैथ रूल. द मैथ का क्या मीन होता है? वी विल फर्स्ट यूज डिवीजन, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन प्लस एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. Isn't? Okay. So first we will solve this portion which is 6 divided by 2. So जब हमने 6 को 2 पे divide किया, we will get 3 from it. 6 divided by 2 and we get 3 from it. So we will write the remaining terms as it is. 7 as it is, plus as it is. 6 को जब 2 पे divide किया, we get 3. We will write 3 multiplication sign as it is and 18 as it is. In next step class we will write 7 as it is and we will solve first multiplication portion. अगर आप देखो इस step में we have 2 operations that are used. First is addition and second is multiplication. But as we know, according to the math rule, अगर हमारे पास अरेंजमेंट साइंस की ऐसी होती है कि उसमें अगर पहले प्लस है और सेकंड पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, बट हम फॉलो किसको करते हैं? द मैथ को. सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हम पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 3 into 18 इज 54. ओके, एंड 7 एज इट इज आ जाएगा एंड प्लस साइन वी विल राइट एज इट इज. In the end we will add 7 plus 54 and in the end we will get 61 from it. So this is your answer. Okay, this is how we can solve a question which have more than 2 operations. Fine. Now I have another one. B part. 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 plus 49. Okay, I have 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 plus 49. So class, if you look, we have 3 operations that are used in this question. So class, in this question as you look, we have 3 operations that are used. First is multiplication, second is division and third is addition. Okay, but according to statement we will solve this question by using the math rule. So the math का क्या मीन होता है अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. फर्स्ट पे we will solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. ऐसे ही ऑर्डर आएंगे ऑपरेशंस के. ओके, so in this portion first we have division portion is this. So 5 as it is, multiplication sign as it is, and we will solve first this. So 15 divided by 3. We will write this. 15 is dividend and 3 is divisor. Okay. 3 5 times, as you know class, 15. 3 5 times is 15 and as you know the second step of division is subtraction. So we will subtract here and we have 0 in the end. So we get 5 from it. 5 from it. Then we have plus 49. multiplication and the second is plus. So very first we will solve multiplication according to the mass rule. As you know, 5 times 25 plus as it is and 49 as it is. Plus as it is and 49 as it is. In the end we will solve addition, which is 49 plus 25. ऐसे ही होगा क्लास. So 9 for upper and 5 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5. So in total class we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 two-digit number. So I will write the number which is at unit place, which is 4 and 1 as a carry. Clear? For next we have 4 plus 1 for upper. 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 for lower. So in total we have 7. In total we have class 7. ये क्लियर है सबको? I have 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 plus 49. Okay class, I have 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 plus 49. As you look, we have 3 operations that are used in this question. So according to the mass rule, we will first solve division portion. So इसमें division portion कौन सा है? 15 divided by 3. So we will first solve 15 divided by 3 and we get 5 from this. As you know, 5 times 15. So we have 5 from it. Is it class? Okay. So in next step we will write 5 as it is, then multiplication sign as it is, and 5 is that we will get 15 divided by 3. हमें 5 कहाँ से मिला जब हमने इसको सॉल्व किया? ओके, देन प्लस एज इट इज एंड 49 एज इट इज. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल सॉल्व मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट एंड देन एडिशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैथ्स रूल. ऐसे ही पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने. अगर हमारे पास 2 ऑपरेशंस यूज हो रहे हैं और उनका ऑर्डर क्या है, फर्स्ट पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है एंड देन एडिशन है, तो हम उसको एज इट इज सॉल्व करेंगे. बट अगर हमारे पास ऑर्डर कुछ ऐसे है क्वेश्चन में कि फर्स्ट पे एडिशन है और सेकंड पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, तो हम किसको सॉल्व करेंगे? पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन को. ओके, नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल फर्स्ट सॉल्व 5 into 5 which is 25 in total, plus sign as it is and 49 as it is. Fine class? So in the end we will add 49 plus 24. 49 plus 25 and we get 74 from it. We get 74 from it. Is it clear? How we can solve questions in which more than 2 operations are used. तो हम कौन सा जो है वो रूल फॉलो करते हैं अगर हमारे पास 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा जो हैं वो ऑपरेशंस एक क्वेश्चन में यूज होते हैं? डिमैस. ओके, डिमैस का मीन पता चल गया आपको? D फॉर डिवीजन, M फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, A फॉर एडिशन एंड S फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वी विल फॉलो दिस ऑर्डर which is division, multiplication, plus and minus. So this is all class which is related to question number 7. You have to solve all parts from question number 7 in page number 21 in your copy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.